Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. So as you all know that we are having agriculture optional answer writing practice series and we discuss one question daily. So today's question is a numerical one that was asked in this year's UPSC CSE. So first of all, before starting the question or before starting the answer, we should let us know that our Aspire for Agriculture press reach. It is to announce you that our Aspire for Agriculture test reach has started. Okay, and it will contain 14 tests. There will be 8 sectional and 6 full test. And so, if you want to join this test series, it will be very good for your overall development because before we had M for Agriculture test series and many questions were directly from those test series, and almost all the topics were covered through those test series that was asked in the optional subject, that is UPSC agriculture optional paper. So this test which can be very helpful for you to practice, and the price of this will be 999 only. So that is also an advantage because when you go to any coaching institute, any reputed coaching institute, you will find that the prices are more than 10,000 also. So here it is just 999. So that could be very helpful to you. And to join or for any query regarding test series, simply message on the WhatsApp number 77818 33440. Okay, 77818 Message on this WhatsApp number and you can join this test series. And I guarantee you, after finishing this series, it will be very helpful to you. Your answer writing skills will be highly enhanced. So please do join it. Now let's move to the question. So this is a numerical and this was asked in this year's UPSC CSE agriculture optional paper, that is 2024's agriculture optional paper of UPSC CSE. And generally they do not ask numericals, it is very rare, and I think in the last 10 years only twice numericals have been asked. So I think this is the second time in the last 10 years they have asked these numericals. So let's see how can we approach the numerical, but first we should read the question. So it is proposed to give for irrigation to 6 hectare area of wheat crop. Okay, depth of irrigation is 16 mm, which will be given with a pump discharge of 5 liter per second. Find the duration of pump operation to discharge required quantity of water. So when you see the questions, so first we should mention what are the things are given. So even we should say here that it is given that we have to take 4 irrigations. 4 irrigation needs to be taken. The area is given. Area is 6 hectare. 6 hectare area is given. Depth of each irrigation has been mentioned. Depth of irrigation is mentioned 60 mm. Okay, and the pump discharge has been mentioned. Pump discharge has been mentioned at the rate of 5 liter per second. So you can see hectare, meter, second. This not meters, millimeters. Hectare 60 mm second. So you have to convert into one SI unit also. So that we will do while solving only. Okay. So it was a kind of more of a calculative question rather than more of a conceptual questions. Although there was some concept in it, but I don't think there was a difficult concept. If you know it, it was a easy one. So let's see how we can approach. But most of the students would have find it difficult because we do not practice these types of numericals for agriculture optional, and there is no use also because in 10 years only twice they have asked. So I don't think giving too much time to numericals or anything is useful. But whichever has been asked, you should know those because UPSC have the tendency to repeat these. So please do know this. So we see what are the things given. So now we will move to the process. So first of all, we will calculate the total volume of water required for irrigation. First of all, calculate total volume of water required for irrigation. Okay. So for that, we have to know the area and depth. Okay. So area is given, area into depth. So area is given what? 6 hectare. So this 6 hectares would be converted into meter square. So it will be 60,000, 60, sorry, 60,000 meter square into, convert the depth into meter also. Okay, bring into one thing. Depth was given 60 mm. To convert into meter, it will be 0.060 meter. So when you multiply these two, you will get the total value of water required. Total volume, sorry, total volume of water required. So this will be, when you multiply that, you will get the answer 3600 meter cube. So it is the total volume of water required. This is the first step. We have got this. Now in the second step, we will calculate the total volume required for 4 irrigations. We can calculate it here only. As you can see, how much irrigations? 4 irrigation. It is proposed to give 4 irrigation. So what we will do, we will just simply 3600 into 4, because this is the volume of water in one irrigation. We have to give 4 irrigations. So here we will get 14,400 meter cube. So this is the total volume of all 4 irrigations. I hope you get it. Now we should convert the volume into liters. Okay, convert. I am writing here also so that you can understand the steps. Convert the volume into liters, because obviously we will irrigate the field in water, and that water will be calculated in liters. So 1 meter cube is what? 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. That is why I tell that it was a more of a calculative question rather than conceptual, because most of the agriculture optional students were not knowing the conversions, where to convert what. So that would made it very difficult. Either the question was not that difficult, but still new, because we do not practice numericals. So 1 meter cube is 1000 liters, and what? How many meter cubes we have? We have 14,400 meter cube. So we will multiply into 1000, because we have to convert into liters. So what we will get? 14,400 and 1000. So this is 14,400, 14,400 and 000. That is 5 zeros. So this will be our here. This will be after conversion in liters. Now we have to get the duration of pump operation, because we have to finally calculate how much duration is to be required. Okay, because here the 5 liter per second is given. So simply we will divide it by 5. Okay, writing, make it next step. Now calculate. Now we have to calculate duration of pump operations. So for that, what we will have to do? We have to 14,400 and 3 zeros. This was the result. Yes, this is the result. We have to divide it by 5, because as in the question there is already given that the pump discharges 5 liter per second. So how much second the pump will take here? After division you will get 288,000 seconds. So this is in seconds. So what you can do? You can convert into hours. Okay. So for converting into hours, we all know we have to do 60 into 60. Okay. So that is 288,12340 by 3600. So this will be 800 hours. When you calculate it, you will get 800 hours. So this is our answer in hour, that for how much duration the pump needs to be operated. The pump needs to be operated for 800 hours. Although I have not mentioned here, but I think in question they have mentioned to find it into days. So basically we will convert into days. We can simply divide it by 24. So I think the days will be 33, 24, 3 is 72, yes, 33.33 days. This will be our result. Okay, this will be after calculate it. It will be 33.33. I think, yes. So this is our answer. So we have to operate the pump for 33.33 days to get the required amount of water required for irrigation. So this would be our answer. So this is the question, and I hope you understand it, how to solve it. I will be just giving you a brief idea again. So first of all, these are the things given. First of all, we will get the total volume of water required. Okay, so that will be 14,400 meter cube, because the pump's volume is given in liter, so we have to convert the meter cube in liters. So 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. So this much meter cubes will be this much liter, and then the pumps the capacity is given 5 liter per second. So we will simply divide it by 5 because it is given in second, so our result will come in second. And for conversion from second to day, for conversion from second to minute, we will divide by 60, and from second to day we will divide by 3600 because it will be 60 into 60. So 800 hours will be answer, and we can simply convert into days by dividing it by 24. So that the answer will be 33.33 days. So I hope you understand, and you can simply pause the video if you do not understand one time, see it again, you will be able to understand this. This is not just difficult. Here conversions are difficult, I find. The conversions were more difficult than the question because many of you didn't know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So that was a difficult part. So that is all for today. I hope you understand it. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis, and if you like, share and subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. And please do join this test series. It will be 100% very helpful to you, and I can guarantee that. So please do join the test series to get a lot of practice, and this will run till January end. Okay. So you will have a lot of practice for optionals because next year the exam there will be no more much time for optional preparation or mains preparation because after prelims result only 2 months time is been allotted. So please do prepare it well right now till January, and from February onwards, February, March, April, May, for 4 months give properly to prelims. Okay, 4 to 5 months. Okay, so this will end in January, so it will be a good practice for you all of you guys to please do join. And the price is very less, and the seats are very limited. So if you join fast, that will be good enough because after the filling of seats, admissions will be closed. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.